welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my opinions on few products that I've used for past few months. Most of these products gave me the hope that skincare plays a major role in terms of your skin. It's not just what you eat. Of course, what you eat also contributes to your skincare journey, but products are also important, and most of the skincare concern can be cured by following a proper skincare routine. Most of these products are my favorite and something I would repurchase again and again, no matter what new trend comes in terms of skincare. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first product is this keto soap. So this product is available in every pharmacy. This soap has changed my life. This was first introduced to me by my close friend from school. Every time I look at her, she looks, she has a flawless skin. Like, her skin is so bright all the time, and this soap is mostly used by the sports person because they sweat a lot and they might get a lot of fungal infection due to a lot of sweating. And I'm the one who gets a lot of pimples due to dandruff. I have dandruff like almost 4 months a year. It's not that crazy, but I get a lot of pimples due to dandruff and also back acne due to the same. So this soap helped me cure all the pimples because it has some magic in it. I'm not sure about the ingredients. It doesn't say much about the ingredients. It comes in a paper packaging like this, and inside you have the soap in a plastic packaging. This is the largest size of the soap. You get the sample version or the smaller size of the same, and it costs about 100 bucks. And the bigger one, this one cost me about 190 rupees, and which is totally worth the money. This will last you for more than like 4 months. This soap doesn't do much about the dark spots because I have dark spots, but it doesn't do anything about it. But it gives you the brightness. And it is meant to control the fungal infections. So it did control my back acne as well. I recommend you to follow up with the toner right after this because this has a tendency to dry up your skin, but it does a great job in terms of brightness and controlling your acne. Totally recommend it. Next product is a body product. This is the deodorant from Nivea. It says it's a whitening smooth skin deodorant with 48-hour protection and zero alcohol, even tone underarms. That's what it claims. But as far as this is my second bottle, I've already I have a backup, and this is the second one. I have the third one as my backup. And yeah, I like this product. It comes in a glass bottle and plastic packaging, and it has a roller as usual. When you use this, it comes out as a thick white cream. It smells amazing, and it says 48-hour protection, and whenever I use this, I feel totally fresh the whole day. It will last you for good 12 hours, that I can guarantee you, because even when I go to bed, I still feel fresh. Yeah, it has 0% alcohol, which is great for your underarms because using alcohol-free products on your skin is the best. Don't believe it whitens your skin. Like, I've been using this for like past 4 months, and my underarm has been the same. Smooth skin, that I've been noticing, like my underarm skin has been smoothened. Maybe this contributes to that. I'm not sure, but yeah, this cost you about this is about 185 rupees, and you can always find it on offer on Nykaa. All the products and the prices will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. This is my first deodorant kind of a thing, and I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it. The next product is my most favorite, like out of all. Like, the first place goes to the keto soap because it's super pocket friendly, and the next goes to this one. This product has absolutely changed my skin game, and this is the plum green tea toner. Oh my god, this is the first toner I've ever used. Like, I've been searching for a toner, and there's always a controversy that toner is not that important in your skincare routine. I was very skeptical to add toner in my skincare routine, and then I was introduced. I saw many bloggers, many YouTubers raving about this product. It comes in a plastic packaging. It doesn't come in a spray bottle. Like, you have to press this to open and you have to pour and apply it on your face. The main ingredients are glycerin, green tea extracts, and glycolic acid. Yes, it has glycolic acid, which is the AHA, which will exfoliate the top layer of your skin, like the top dead skin layer of the skin. If you are new to the acid gains, you don't know much about the acids, and you can start with this because this is a great AHA. Green tea is known for its anti-aging and antibacterial properties, and it takes care of your acne, active acne, as well as any acne you have. My skin has become like acne free because I use it daily after the keto soap. Yeah, I use it in the morning. Since it consists of glycolic acid, the green tea range, the entire green tea range of Plum has glycolic acid. If you're exposing your skin to glycolic acids or acids in general, start with once a week and then twice a week. I use this toner like every day, and it doesn't give me that irritation and stuff. You feel super fresh after you use this. Your skin looks super fresh, super hydrated. It also tightens your skin like every other toner. You can feel it for yourself. First ever toner, and I started with the best. So this is the emptied bottle and this is the repurchased one. No idea what I'm talking about. You will thank me after you use this toner. So totally recommend it on Nykaa and their website as well. Next product is going to be a lip balm. This is the Neutrogena lip balm, which has SPF 15, and it comes in a plastic packaging, and you have the top. You can open it, and it has a twister on the top. It is super budget friendly, and I've seen many of them raving about this product. But for me personally, it doesn't do that well because I have pigmented lips, and I like lip balms which gives super hydration. I don't know, I don't like it much. I've used it because I got it. It will last you only about like 3 to 4 hours, which most of the lip balm does. But all my concern is hydration. Lip balm should be all about hydration first and then SPF. I got this because it was super pocket friendly. It was about 145 rupees or something. Not that worse, but it is a decent lip balm. Not that moisturizing. And I also felt like it darkens my lip. My most favorite one is the Maybelline, because Maybelline Baby Lips, because it has tint, it has SPF, and it gives you great hydration. So the hydration was quite missing in this product. Maybe try it for yourself. I'm not a big fan of this product. The next product is one of my favorites in the recent past. This is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, and it comes in a packaging like this. This is their smaller packaging, and this moisturizer, guys, like, it is a lotion form, but it changed my life. And this product is meant for extra, like, ultra dry skin. It does what it claims. Like, it claims 24-hour moisturization for daily use. Yes, it does that. And non-greasy, non-irritating. Of course, Cetaphil products are meant for sensitive skin, so they won't irritate you. And wouldn't clog pores. Yes, I tried this smaller packaging, which was about 190 rupees, I guess. So it was about less than 200 bucks, and I loved this, and I got the bigger packaging. This can be used for both your face and your body. It is a white lotion-like formula, not that thick. It's dried up like in few minutes. Like, whenever I apply this, like, I feel like it is too moisturizing for my skin. After a few seconds, it gets totally absorbed into your skin and leaves you with a beautiful glow. Okay, this is a 30 gram of product, and which will cost you about 160 rupees, and this is the 100 gram packaging, which costed me about 350 rupees, which is a great deal. This is meant for dry skin. Like, if you are on an oily skin type, please stay away from this product. If you have like combination and dry skin, if you have extremely dry skin, you can totally use this. This is such a nice product out of all Cetaphil products. So love it, love it. So the next product is the Ayurvedic Kumkumadi Thailam. I have mentioned this product, so let me show the original packaging to you. This is how it looks. This is a Kumkumadi oil. Kumkumadi is a saffron based oil, and it's known for its benefits. So yeah, this product I've used it a lot. Like I have just 2 to 3 drops left, and it's at the bottom. It's loaded with saffron. Like, can you see the saffron here? If you're new to Kumkumadi Thailam, you don't know where to start because Kumkumadi Thailam in general are super expensive in various other brands. So if you want to try it or if you want to know how it works for your skin, then give this one a try. This one is not. This one is below 500 rupees, I guess. You get 100 ml of product for 350 rupees, and it's always on offer on Nykaa. I got this on Nykaa, and this is manufactured from Kerala. So this product is everybody's favorite in my house. You can gift it to your mom. It works great on matured skin, and my brother loves it. He uses it every night as well. So this doesn't give you any side effects as such. This one is going to be a constant. Like no matter how many products I get introduced to in the future, this one is always going to be in my skincare shelf like forever. Totally love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope this will help you in some way when you're shopping. So yeah, if this video was helpful, leave a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for many videos that is coming up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.